Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Important. The display bezel is held to the display panel with strips of adhesive. Starting with the upper right corner, carefully separate the edges of the display bezel from the display enclosure in the manner shown. Important. Watch carefully as you remove the display bezel to ensure the display panel mylar is not pulled away from the display panel. If necessary, use a non-metallic flat-bladed tool to separate the display panel mylar from the display bezel adhesive. Lift the upper edge of the display bezel and slide the tabs on the lower edge of the display bezel out of the display enclosure and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the display bezel.